Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. So, if your phone screen is locked like this and you want to use Google Assistant by saying, "Hey Google, what's today's date?"
It's Monday, August 25th.
You see that? Now, let me show you exactly how you can do this to use Google Assistant on lock screen on your Android phone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Google app on your phone. Once opened, click on the profile picture at top right. Click on Settings. Now, click on Google Assistant. Click on Lock Screen once you scroll down. Then you should say Get Hand-Free Help from your assistant when your phone is screen. Then you should say Use Google Assistant without unlocking your phone. So just scroll down, click on Yes, I am in. And then come here and turn on Assistant Responses on Lock Screen. And then you are good. So that is exactly how to use or turn on Google Assistant on lock screen on your Android phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.